Just finished welding these plates and then connecting them to 2 wires, and I'm about to close it, and this is going to be my 16 plate electrolyzer. I 3D printed the spacers in bunch so that I could do that, and then I also got stainless steel plates that I cut into similar sizes and then I made half of them protrude to the left and half of them protrude to the right, and then I welded the ones on the left here to the smaller plates, and then the ones on the right to those plates, and yeah, I'm about to glue the top on this, which is going to have like a water input and like a thing to separate the gas. So I'm going to do this simply. You just have to glue here and then clamp it to there. So I'm going to do it.